Capturing project milestones with aerial drone footage offers a visually dynamic way to share these critical updates with team members, stakeholders, and across social media platforms. The choice is all too clear. You can represent a project milestone with an iPhone from 300 yards away, hoping your audience will understand what they're seeing. Or you can document the event in a more engaging way by capturing sight, sound, and movement, allowing those directly involved to be recognized for their part in achieving the milestone while elevating your brand to a broader, targeted audience.